Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can delete a card on a Trello board. Let's get started. Whether you want to clear some space, manage your workflow better, or remove tasks you no longer need, deleting a card in Trello is a simple and useful step. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. On the home page, click the Login button at the top right. You can sign in using Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or your email and password, whichever is easiest for you. Once you are logged in, go to the board where the card you want to delete is located. After opening the board, find the card and click on it to open the card details. This view shows all the information related to the card, so take a moment to make sure it's the correct one. Now, on the right side of the card, look for the option called Archive and click on it. This will remove the card from the board, but keep it saved in case you need it later. After archiving the card, you will see a new option appear in the same area called Delete. Click on Delete and Trello will show a confirmation message. This step is important because once the card is deleted, it cannot be recovered. If you are sure, click Delete again to confirm. That's it. The card is now permanently removed from your Trello board, helping you keep your board clean and focused.